Imagine waking up to an unplanned debit alert because a subscription you completely forgot about has been renewed without your permission. Well, today on Tech Gist, I have interesting news for you. So welcome to Tech Gist, where you get the latest happenings in Africa's tech space. My name is Datom George. Let's go. Visa introduces subscription manager for easy tracking. Kenya secures 32% of $780 million African tech funding in H1 2024. ITIDA, Telecom Egypt, and Nokia partner for network automation. Visa has just launched a new subscription manager that helps you keep track and manage all your subscriptions in one place and more efficiently. Their tool aims to simplify the subscription industry by providing Visa cardholders a clear overview of all their recurring payments. It gives you more control and reduces the stress of managing multiple subscriptions. So say bye-bye to getting surprised by those sneaky recurring payments. Nice move, Visa. In the first half of 2024, African tech startups raised a whopping total of $780 million and Kenya snagged 32% of that. This impressive feat proves Kenya's growing influence and leadership in the African tech scene. Kenya's position as a key player in the continent's tech industry has been marked. Innovation, growth and development, here we come. The Information Technology Industry Development Agency, ITIDA, Telecom Egypt, and Nokia are teaming up to boost network automation in Egypt. This collaboration aims to improve Egypt's network efficiency and support the country's digital transformation initiatives. By leveraging advanced automation technologies, this partnership will deliver faster and more reliable network services, benefiting both consumers and businesses. Way to go! That's it for today. You know the drill, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on the latest happenings in Africa's tech. Thank you for watching today's episode. Follow all our social media platforms and visit our website at www.techpression.com. Stay innovative and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.